Sneaker Chop. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of the Sneaker Chop, where basically I take any type of footwear, and I mean any type of footwear, I'll chop that shit in half and let you guys see the guts, so you guys know what you guys are buying, and you guys know how they were made. So with that being said, let's see what we got on the chopping block today, boy. What's up, guys? And in today's episode, we'll be getting into the Nike Air Max 97s. And this colorway is the metallic silver. Here we go. There's the backs to it. There's the inside. These actually have some pretty good 3M on it too. So I'll show you that in a bit. Here's the other side. Here's the bottoms of them. The bottoms. And this is a 2005 release, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 2005 release. Alright, show you one more time. Alright, let's hit it with that 3M. I actually turned off the lights this time so you can see the 3M better. I should start doing that more often. But yeah, there's the 3M right there. Look at that, shining. This so when you're running, if a car's coming, he'll fucking see you. If not, you'll get fucking smashed. Alright, let's get down to business. I don't got no time to mess around. What is this? Today's episode, we're getting into the Air Max 97, so here we go. Alright. That tongue is pretty crazy. Look at that tongue. Pretty thick, nice padded toe box. Look at that crazy air unit all the way across. Midsole, all air unit. Fuck. Can't wait to break these down and see that giant air unit. That backbone. There's the insole you get. It's the basic insole. The bottom. The back. Take a look at the other one. Whoa, got stuck there. Alright guys, there you go. Alright guys, that's it for another episode of the Sneaker Chop. Comment down below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my shit. Oh yeah. And with that being said, I do donate shoes here and there when I can. If you guys like to help out, there'll be a link down below. Alright, I'm out till next time. Peace.